In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Stripe payment links, a super handy tool for anyone looking to secure payments online effortlessly. We'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have your very own payment link ready to go. If you're ready, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the Stripe website. Make sure your device is connected to the internet and open your preferred web browser. In the URL bar at the top, type in stripe.com and press enter. Once the homepage is loaded, look for the sign in button, usually found in the top right corner, and click it. If you already have a Stripe account, you can proceed by entering your email and password. Type those into the fields provided. After you've entered your login details, click the sign in button to access your Stripe dashboard. It's important to ensure that your credentials are correct to avoid any issues logging in. Now that you're signed into the dashboard, look for a tab labeled Home and click on it. This will help you orient yourself with the platform's main features. From the Home section, locate and click on Payments, which is where we'll be focusing our efforts today. Next, find the option called Payment Links and click on it. This section is dedicated to creating and managing links that allow others to pay you directly and securely. Here you will be able to streamline the payment process for any potential customers. Moving forward, you need to add a product that you'll be linking the payment to. Once you're on the payment links page, look for an option to add product and click there. This is where you'll input details about what you're selling, so take your time to fill out any necessary fields like product name, description, and price. Once the product details are set, you'll be prompted to select options related to the payment process. Choose any options that suit how you'd like to handle these transactions. If you want more control over the settings, look for advanced options and click on it. Here you'll have the opportunity to tweak more detailed aspects of the payment link. With the product and payment options configured, go ahead and click on Pay to confirm that everything is in order before creating the actual link. Then find and click on the Create Link button. This action will generate a payment link that you can share with your clients. Finally, you should see your newly created payment link. Click on Payment Link to open and test it, just to make sure everything works as planned. You can now copy and share this link with your customers, providing them a direct and hassle-free way to pay for your products or services. And that's it. You've just created a Stripe payment link, making it even easier for your business to receive payments online. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found